Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, May 1st. Time to do another shop video. So we're going to get right into it. There's lots of stuff going on. This computer is still here. I don't think it's going to get fixed at this point. I suspect it has motherboard issues. I'm just waiting to speak to the owner today so I can inform them of what is going on, and we can arrange to get a replacement computer for this machine over to me so I can dump some data over. And the server is still here. The server won't actually be leaving until this coming Saturday. It was supposed to leave last Saturday, but there was a scheduling conflict with the client, so we had to move things up back a week. And we're going to do a big migration from Windows Server 2012 to Windows Server 2019. And on Friday night, I'm going to move some files and programs over that I need to move, and that is actually a very interesting process, and I will have a little bit of a video coming on that as I do the work Friday night. Main thing that I wanted to talk about today was this laptop. This is an Acer Nitro 5 higher-end gaming laptop, and the reason it's here is because it has a problem that is very common on laptops, and I'm actually going to demonstrate the issue right now. Power's up, but we get the psychedelic colors on the screen, and you can probably see the crack lines. Yes, this is what happens when your LCD panel is cracked, and this is an extremely common problem, and I'm not actually sure what cracked this particular LCD panel, but I have a new LCD panel in the shop for this unit, and we're going to replace it today. And oh, I just saw automatic repair come up, which could be, considering the panel's cracked, that could be because it was powered on and off 3 times in a row, which will trip an automatic repair, or we could have other issues. I won't even be able to get into that until we replace the panel. So this could actually, there could actually be a larger follow-up video to this. I was going to do a follow-up anyway after the panel is replaced and make it into one video. And we're going to talk about that and see what's going on. I will see everyone after this panel is changed. I'll see which for me will be several hours, but for you guys, it'll just be a minute. See you in a second. And I actually did fire up this laptop, and it did boot into Windows normally, which means I was correct in my second assumption that the automatic repair was due to the constant startup and shutdowns from trying to get around this bad screen. The last time I powered this up was probably the 3rd power up, and it went into automatic repair on that first boot that you saw just a second ago. Now we're at the normal Windows screen. So after this panel's changed, we should be good to go. And I will see you in a second after the panel's been changed. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I'm going to show you what this changed screen actually looks like now that it has been replaced. As you can see, it's now working. The screen is whole, and this screen is a glossy finish. I believe the previous panel was a matte finish, and you can really tell the difference on camera. I think this screen looks really, really nice, even in my viewfinder that I'm using to take this video. It looks really impressive. I think the customer is going to be really happy with this screen. Well, that finishes up the video for today. As always, feel free to rate, comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see everyone next time. See y'all soon. Bye-bye.